to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about hash if not defined keyword in C language. So, what is the use of this keyword? So, we will discuss it in today's video. So, let's start the video. So, hash if not defined directive is used to check the condition whether this macro or this variable power is either defined or not. So, if it is not defined anywhere in the program, then this condition becomes true and the print statement or any other statement we write before this hash and if block will be executed. So let me demonstrate this. So for example, if we run this program and let's see what is the output. So as you can think, there is no output on the output window. So because the power macro or power variable is already defined at the top of my program here, I define hash power is equal to 1. I define power as a macro in my C program. So if we remove this variable or comment this macro, then the program executes. This is my standard header file, and inside the main program, if we come here in this statement, so this condition will check if not defined this variable. It means in simple words, if the variable power is not defined, then execute these statement before the hash and if block. So in this case, let's run this program and see the output. Now you can see the hello world is printing. So the hash not defined keyword in C language is used to conditionally execute a block of code inside our program. So if this variable or any condition here we define is not exist in our program anywhere, so in that case the set of statements or any functions defined between these two statements of hash undefined and hash and if will be executed, and if they are defined anywhere in the program, then these statements will never be executed. So in this case, let's see. So as the power variable is not defined anywhere, so you can see we are able to execute these two printf statements. So let me uncomment this hash defined power macro. Now when the program comes here, it sees whether power variable is defined or not, and it will realize that the power variable is already defined as a macro with value 1. So in this case, no output will be on the output screen. Let's run it again. So you can see now there is no output. So this hash if not defined and hash and if block is used to conditionally execute a part of program depending on whether the variable we check here in this block is defined anywhere in the program. If it is not defined, then any statement between these hash if undefined and hash and if will be executed, and if the power or any variable we declare we write here in front of hash if not defined, if it is defined anywhere in the program, then the program will skip through this block and continue its normal execution of the rest of the program. So let's see if we print hello world after this block. So in this case, as the power macro is defined, so the program comes here, it sees the power is already defined, so it will not execute this block of statements and it will continue its execution from this line of code. So let's run this program. So in this case, you can see the output is hello. So in this way, you can use hash not defined keyword in your program. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share it with your friends.